Here's how to get the Hookshot and the lava update in Animal Company. First, I recommend you get an umbrella. You don't need this, but it's just kind of easier. Put it on your back, and then get a pickaxe or a stick. This is just for movement. There's nothing to mine. And then you could just get a flashlight. So now go to the minefield. Once you're past the mines, keep going forward to find the sewers. The ogre's usually here, but I don't know where he was in this clip. Point your head down with the umbrella to go downwards. Now you're in the sewers, so what you want to do is take a left from here and then do not touch the eyeball monster. Also, avoid red light, green light. Okay, so at this part, there's going to be a sewage pipeline. There's a mimic right here, but I cut out me fighting him, so I must get past it. Just keep on going forward to see this area. It's a different sewers with red light, green light, and Armstrong. And the big bomb, whatever his name is, but you want to get past them. I accidentally aggravated red light, green light, but just do what I do here. So if you didn't activate them, congratulations, but what you want to do is go down this green tunnel. Let's pick up this part. Keep on going, and then there's parkour. Now, when you're here, you want to, if you don't have the umbrella, you want to climb up that pillar. But if you do, just jump where I did. Okay, so go through this little tunnel. Now, do all this parkour. Once you're up here, you should see a purple light. Then try to parkour over to it. And there's the Hookshot in the purple light. Then, with your grappler, go up to the exit portal. And that is it on how to get Hookshot inside Animal Company.